Today, we are going to install the Vibe deck pad kit for the Yellowfin 120. Installation is very similar for the Yellowfin 120 as it is for the Seaghost, the Yellowfin 100, as well as the Yellowfin 130T. All of these deck pad kits are available on vibekayaks.com. To get started, the things you will need are soap and water and a bucket, sponge, a clean cloth, and a rag you don't mind getting dirty, rubbing alcohol, and the Vibe deck pad kit. Optional items are an Adhesion Promoter. These can be found at any hardware store or automotive supplies store. Another optional item is a tarp, which we will get into later. First, we are going to wash all of the dirt, grime, off the deck of the kayak. Over time, a coat of slime from fishing, mud, and dirt will accumulate on the deck of the boat. Removing it is simple. We're just going to scrub it with some soap and water. Any sudsy soap that doesn't have a wax in it will work great for this. Make sure you clean it thoroughly. After we're done scrubbing, we're going to leave it to dry. An optional additional cleaner is 303 Multi-Surface Cleaner. This comes in a spray bottle, can be purchased on vibekayaks.com. You would use this after applying the soap and water, and that will just give you that one extra layer of clean. After the deck is properly dried, you will take the rubbing alcohol and a clean cloth to apply it with. You will then go over the entire deck area, scrubbing it carefully. This will help take care of any excess debris, dirt, or grime that may be coating the deck. Next, we're going to lay out our deck pad pieces. These pieces are cut specifically to only fit in one way, which you will definitely see. It is best to lay them out in their position before peeling the backing off so that we can get started. If you chose to go with an Adhesion Promoter, they come in two different types. You can get it in an aerosol can, which I have here, or you can get it in a wet wipe style. If you do use an aerosol can, you should be very careful about overspray. So I take the rag that I don't mind getting dirty and spray directly onto the rag before wiping the rag underneath the deck pad. We will do it piece by piece this way, so laying the pads out the way we did will allow us to work with one piece at a time. As I wipe down each individual area, I apply the deck pad directly to it, and then move on to the next piece. Wiping it down, apply the pad. Moving from the seating area to the footwell. As I go, I apply each piece individually with nice even pressure. once you are done, your kayak is completely transformed. This deck pad should last a long time. Using this application process will ensure that. It is still best to go ahead and add even weight to the pads to let it sit so the adhesive can cure. The best way we've found to do this is to take a tarp. This is actually a grill cover. And we're going to add water so that the weight of the water will spread evenly across the deck, giving us the best chance for the adhesive to cure properly. We'll let this sit overnight, and then we can go out and enjoy our first adventure with our new deck pad kit.